Yo, what's up, everybody?
What's up?
It's your boy Blitz.
And I'm your boy Blitz&Blurr.
Yo, we got some more playthrough for Tales of the Arise. Thank you guys for checking out our original playthrough. We got some more for you guys because you guys gave us so much love and support. And so it's going to be coming at you. But also, what I meant to do in our first video was give you guys some information about it. Just a little bit. I'm pretty sure you saw our GCE news when we talked about the trailer. But just to let you know that Tales of the Arise is the actual 17th entry in the Tales series. So there's other Tales of this, Tales of that, Duck Tales, Short Tales,
Long Tail,
Heads Tales, Fox Tales, Coat Tales, Tail Tales, Red Tales, all that good stuff. So this is the 17th entry of it. The game looks good. Bandai Namco, of course. So that's why you see all that great Japanese animation within, instead of just regular CGI, you see some actual animation into it. So here's some more footage for you guys. We hope you enjoy it. We hope you love it. Make sure you give us some love in the comments and like stuff below.
Hey, do us a favor. Make sure you understand it's the 17th. So they've been pumping this thing out for a long time.
A long time.
So hey, without further ado, here go the gameplay.
Here goes some more gameplay, guys.
Ganymede Castle, stronghold of Lord Balseth, self-imposed ruler of all Calaglia.
I've never seen it from this close before.
That's it, all right. And next to it are the gates of fire. Take a good long look while you still can. That wall is what we've come to tear down. The only thing standing between us and freedom.
Freedom.
Let's go. Be careful. If you get close to a Zoogle, they'll attack. Don't go charging off like that!
There!
Don't let them form a pack! I'm on it! You're on! That is coming! One final push! Right! Give them all we got! I'm sure I can put this to use. Don't fight any enemies you can otherwise avoid, all right?
Makes sense. If we try to take them all on, there'll be no end in sight.
You sure won't hear me complaining.
This is...
Seems you found something good. Supplies like that are valuable. Never overlook them.
Got it. I'll remember that.
Let's stop a moment to catch our breath.
But I've barely worked up a sweat.
Speak for yourself. What do you want, a medal? Doesn't look like we're being followed. Fail to grab these rare moments of quiet when you can, you'll end up regretting it later.
You're the boss.
Normally, we should take turns standing guard. But this first time, I'll watch over things so you two can rest easy. A Master Core, huh? Now I see. So that's why Balsef's cronies were so desperate to catch her.
Is that what it's called? The jewel in her chest?
Oh, right. You don't remember a damn thing, do you? Fair enough. Guess it's time to fill you back in. Tell me, you ever wonder why we Danans are made to work ourselves to the bone, day in, day out?
Well, when you put it like that, I always just assumed we were mining resources for them.
And don't you think it'd be quicker if they used all that high-powered tech they have? Why go to all the trouble of relying on weak human labor? Listen, what the Renans are really after isn't resources or minerals. It's astral energy. They're harvesting the astral energy that sleeps inside all matter in life forms. And they're doing it the same way they have for the past 300 years, using us Danans as mere siphons.
Right. They have machines for minerals, but extracting from Danans requires spirit cores. Any astral energy collected passes through a spirit vessel on its way to being stored in a master core.
But why go to the trouble of collecting all this energy in the first place? Do they really need all that juice just to use astral arts?
It determines the Sovereign.
Sovereign? Is that the Renan ruler?
Exactly. 5 lords, each doing whatever it takes to gather as much astral energy as they can and store it in their master cores. Whichever of them manages to accumulate the most power at the end of their contest is crowned the ruler of the Renan motherland. A new crown contest, as they call it, is held every decade or so.
So you see, the Master Cores are the receptacles in which the Lords store their power. And we Danans are sacrificed, so the Renans can choose their new ruler.
That's insane! You're telling me that's what our people have been dying for this whole time?
Relax, hero. You're not the only one who's bent out of shape about the whole thing. There are 2 things that I haven't been able to get my head around yet. What business would a Renan have stealing a Master Core? And what's the deal with that blazing sword?
I think the sword is a physical manifestation of the Master Core's astral energy. As for why it took the shape of a sword, well, I don't know any more than you do. Honest.
And that stuff about needing your permission to use it? What was that about?
I'm the only one of us who can control the Master Core to some extent. Without me to adjust the flow of astral energy, the sword can't take a physical form.
What do you want out of this? You may be one of them, but you don't strike me as the ruthless oppressor type.
I'm going to take down all of the lords.
Never thought I'd say this, but I like the cut of your jib, Renan. Very well. As far as we're concerned, the struggle continues either way. And with that sword on our side, our chances of victory just increased. That is, of course, assuming we can count the 2 of you in.
Fine by me. After all, it sounds like we're after the same thing anyway.
Honestly, I'm still a little confused by all this. But if it's a choice between this or going back to being a slave, then I choose to fight.
Then it's settled. Together, we'll overthrow the Renan Lords. And first up on that chopping block is Balsef, the wild beast. Sound good?
gotta hurry.
We have another secret hideout in Ulzebek, not far from here. We should be able to meet up with our comrades there. We should be able to eat this. Whenever you find some, make sure to grab it.
It's edible, huh? Good to know.
Definitely.
That is one enormous stray.
I don't think we can take it right now.
We've almost made it to Ulzebek. Normally, I don't pick on the weak.
Take it! You're mine!
Mirage! I'll run you through! See ya!
Mega Ray!
Talon! This we gotta roll with it.
There! Go! I'm only getting...
Don't go charging off like that.
Here, let me help.
Rising Wiper!
I'll run you through! Mirage! Had it coming! Talon
Here I go!
Shot
You're
cannon!
mine!
Mirage!
I need to be stronger.
Okay, people, this is it. Ulzebek.
No sign of any Renin guardsmen.
The Renins aren't as populous as the Danins. Probably figure stationing guards in a place like this would be a waste of precious manpower.
So this is where the next safe house is?
Yes. The last place they'd think to look for enemies is on their own doorstep.
That is, assuming anyone actually made it here before us.
Zephyr!
Looks like we needn't have worried. Come on.
Zephyr, you made it! See? I told you there's no way Zephyr would have kicked the bucket.
Fine, you were right. So, what's the plan?
Well, we've got an ace up our sleeve and the enemy's in disarray. I say we strike while the iron's hot.
So we're finally going head-to-head with Balsef.
That's right. We can't afford to mess this up. It's now or never.
Then now it is! We've all been waiting for this day for far too long!
Leave the plan to me. In the meantime... Yeah, you two need to do something about your outfits.
I have just the thing for your size. Stay right there, okay? Ta-da! I told you, it fits like a dream. I'm afraid we don't have any Renin clothing. I could find you some Danon outfits. But something tells me you'd rather pass.
Is this really that important?
In case you need reminding, I'm here because our interests overlapped. Nothing more. At no point did I say I've given up being a Renin. Now, let's play nice. How about you ask Nath and see what he says? He's our one-stop shop for info around here. With any luck, he might just know something.
Nath, we need your help.
Ah, damn. Never the manpower when you... Huh? Help, huh? What kind? Is it urgent?
Well, no, not exactly.
Well, in that case, would you mind helping me out with something first? The work's really piled up around here.
What is it you'd like us to do?
Anything you can manage. No one cares about us slaves. That's why it's all the more important that we stick together. Check in with that guy over there for details on what needs doing. And thanks in advance.
I feel like somebody's watching us.
Maybe there's someone around here who needs our help. Hey.
Yes!
I guess. Got it. I had no idea the Crimson Crows were so active.
You sound pretty thrilled by that.
Thrilled? Maybe. I'll... Settle for hopeful. We know now that not everyone is rolling over. For the Renans. What? They're all dead? How did this happen?
Soldiers, that's how.
Are you Iron Mask?
Yeah, I am. Dairon sent me to help. Hang in there!
I'm so glad you made it. In the bushes over there. You'll...
Hang on! Xion, do something!
It's no use. He's already dead.
Damn them! They've killed so many of us, and it's still not enough! They won't be satisfied until they've wiped us all out like pests!
He mentioned something about those bushes. We should check them.
Is this a cooking pot? But what is it doing here?
If I had to guess, he put it there to make sure a Renin wouldn't steal it.
So even though he knew he was dying, he would come for it? I guess you think it's stupid getting killed over a silly trinket, huh?
No. Clearly he risked his life, however. It will be up to us to figure out the purpose behind his dying act.
We'll make sure, if nothing else. This proves that the Renins can be outsmart. We'll carry out your will.
Then we better get going. We don't know when those souls...
So this is what it means to fight the Renins.
Sounds like you're kind of scared to me.
Of course I am. But if I'm gonna die one way or another, I'd rather go down fighting. I wonder if something happened.
You're back, huh? Sounds like it was a real ordeal out there. Much as I hate to admit it, there aren't many of us who can take on those Renin armored soldiers. All we can do is make sure we remember those who sacrificed their lives for the cause.
Yeah, they won't be forgotten.
Glad to hear it. Now, what was that favor you wanted to ask me?
Oh, right. Well, you see...
So then, you're wondering if I know of any places where you can find Renin equipment, huh? Anywhere with those damn bright eyes is gonna have tight security, of course. You can't just go carelessly poking around. Unless... Across the wilderness outside Ulzebek, you'll find the Fagan ruins. There's some kind of old Renin castle out there. What with it being impenetrable, I forgot. But with a Renin tagging along, who knows? Maybe you can find some way in. You ask me, though, it's a lot of trouble for some Renin rags. If I were you, I'd get comfortable with Danon garbs.
Those look like the ruins. Let's move.
Are we really going in there?
Yes. Now let's move.
Am I really doing this for some lousy cloak? There are Sugals here, too?
Hey!
Right.
Just a minute. With that blade and your strength, the average Zoogle shouldn't be a problem, right?
I'll give it a shot.
There! One
Swallow
more!
blade!
Mega Ray!
Slash! Rising Wyvern! You picked the wrong fight!
It's over!
Mirage! Slash! This one's all mine!
Here I go! You're
Swallow
mine!
blade!
Mega Ray!
Slash!
They've got me in their sights.
Flyers!
This one's mine. I'll shoot them down.
Swallow blade!
Let the marksman handle this.
Mirage!
Mega Ray!
Slash!
This one's mine.
Slash!
Mega
Mirage!
Ray!
If it's in the sky, it's
Swallow
mine.
blade!
Where are you going?
Slash! Swallow blade!
Take it!
Mirage!
Over!
This one's mine.
Mirage! Slash!
Where are you going?
Swallow blade!
Take it. Go.
Swallow blade!
Mega Ray!
Mirage!
Here I
It's
go!
on!
You're mine!
Mirage!
This one's mine.
Eat dirt!
Where are you going?
I can't lay a finger on you.
I prefer it
Swallow
that way.
blade!
What about you?
Just watch and see. Swallow blade! It's on!
Mega
Rising
Ray!
Wyvern!
A hard-won victory. You can hardly see anything from here.
Why don't we climb up higher and see if we can get a better view? What's this thing? What's this thing?
I wonder if those are the Fagin ruins below us. Shouldn't be too much farther now, if that's the...
I guess it's been a while since I had a bite to eat. Don't worry about me. I'm used to working while I'm hungry. It's no big deal.
It is a big deal. You should eat whenever you can. The last thing I need is you keeling over in the middle of a fight just because you didn't eat.
Never thought I'd get lectured on eating by a Renin, of all people.
Yeah, well,
What do you mean? I thought
this isn't about me.
I would, if we had anything to eat.
Actually, I have...
You've been carrying that stuff around this whole time? I'm not sure it's...
That's why we're going to cook it instead.
Cook? I've never...
Me neither, to be...
What are you staring at me for?
Your clothes are all about function over form. You should think about sprucing them up a little.
Why? What purpose would it serve?
I guess you're right. All done. Come and eat. You really do eat through that mask of yours, huh? I'm impressed you can manage so well.
Huh? Oh, it's nothing. You get used to it after a while. Still, I'm glad we decided to stop. I've got a new It would have been perfect if it had any flavor.
Sorry it didn't live up to your...
Oh, no, that wasn't a knock on you. I was just... Sorry, that's not how...
You've got me curious now. Is it just pain you can't sense? Or are your taste buds shot too?
Oh, sure, my taste buds work fine. Although, apparently what I like tends to be a little out there.
How so? What's so unusual about what you eat?
Well, one time I couldn't get enough of these things I picked off a plant, but everyone else said they were way too spicy. Doc thinks maybe I crave spicy food to compensate for the lack of pain I feel.
Maybe it's best I take charge of the cooking. I can't guarantee it'll be to you.
I said I'm sorry. Look, I'll... Well, off we go.
This must be it. Looks pretty ancient, but I recognize Renan architecture when I see it.
It's seen some beatings. If it stayed sealed all this time, it's not because people left it alone.
It's not just their technology. The Renans build their structures out of special materials, too. Strong enough to withstand assaults from Danon tools and weaponry, anyway.
So how the hell are we...
Easy.
I hate that I can see...
Looks like this place used to be a supply base of some sort. It probably even dates back to the Great Conquest of 3 centuries ago.
For an abandoned place, sure is crawling with critters. Kinda makes you wonder how they all got in.
Through cracks in the walls, I guess. Maybe it's a good environment for these species to propagate in. Best not to let your guard down either way. Best not to let your guard down either way.
Agreed. I don't know about you, but I'm not looking to hang around here any longer than necessary. What's this thing? We've been walking around for a while now. Can we give up already?
What, you're tired?
I'm tired of something, all right.
I'm not giving up until we search every inch of this place.
She's really determined to find...
I won't forgive you!
Slut! Rising down! Slut! Swallow blade! Mirage!
Here I go!
Stop!
You're mine!
Swallow blade!
I never miss!
Eat dirt!
Who wants to die next?
Swallow blade!
Go!
Barely a blip on our radar.
What a weird stone.
I sense a strange power from it. We should gather as many as we can find.
What's this thing? Is this Renin technology? I'm amazed you guys can pull something like this off.
For us, sights like this are completely normal.
Whew. What a... An opponent like this should be easy.
Take it! One more!
Damn it!
Mega Ray!
Rising Wyvern! Mirage!
Here I go! Your mouth!
Insects should stay on the ground.
Mirage!
It's over!
Got flyers!
I've got this! Let a marksman handle it!
Mirage! All yours! Swallow Blade! Slice!
Take it!
Barely. A blip. On our radar.
What's this thing? We managed to pull through. This must be...
The former owner's old wardrobe, yeah.
I wonder how long they've hung here. They don't look like they've aged a day.
The designs are a little dated, but it'll have to do.
Listen, I get it. You care how you look. but we've got places to...
What is it?
No, nothing. We've kept Zephyr and the others waiting long enough. We should head back.
Okay, let's head back to Ulzebek.
You're in a good mood. Were you that happy to find a new outfit?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm the same as ever.
I won't forgive you!
No! Swallow blade! I'll take you all
Primed and
on!
ready!
Mirage!
Where are you going?
Swallow blade!
This is it!
Stop! Rising Wyvern!
Here I go! It's over! Here's a healing arc!
Swallow blade! Rising
Here I go!
Wyvern!
You're mine! Sighted! You're mine!
You picked the wrong fight! Swallow blade!
Any injuries?
Is this a chest of some sort?
Oh. Rent. In kind, yeah. We should definitely hold on to what's inside.
Want to get back to Ulzebek?
Yeah, we better. We don't have time to waste.
Someone's in a hurry. Always good to be back in familiar territory.
I feel like somebody's watching us.
Maybe there's someone around here who needs our help. You see anybody around here?
Crap!
What?
No way! Damn it!
Just where do you think you're going?
You know where. Moskul.
What good is it going?
Thanks again for rocking with us. Hope you enjoyed the new gameplay. Hopefully it was everything you wanted, everything you needed. Hopefully it encouraged you to have a great day just by watching us play the game.
And do us a favor, please like, share, and make comments so we can know if you want some more of the footage, gameplay, and things of that nature for this game.
And yo, the analytics show that we getting like a ton of views, man.
Just
but we need you guys to hit that like button while you're viewing it. Go ahead and subscribe and check us out. And we got some lot of cool stuff for you guys.
We're trying to reach 100 subscribers, so help us get there. 100 subscribers. That's a feasible goal to have.
What he meant to say is 100,000.
I mean, really 200, 300,000 if you want to, but hey.
2 million.
Hey,
2 million.
2.5 billion
We're not
light
greedy.
years.
2.5 billion? Yeah, we're not greedy. 2.5 billion.
How about 5 AUs away from the sun?
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get ready to sign off. Because he's like going over there. Yo, you can also check us out on TikTok at game_changers_ENT to see some behind the scenes shenanigans of how we make these videos and just the stuff we do in our crazy headspace for these channels.
Hey, so look, this is your boy, the Blurster.
This is your boy, the Blitz&Blurr.
And we will GCE you later.
Thank you all, our new and old subscribers. And I'm talking old as in you've been with the channel from the beginning, or if you're just old, you know, that's fine too.
I mean, he's old.
We got some geriatric people that follow us too, you know. They do. Because when they handshake, they hit the like button like 6 times. So it's like unlike. Anyway.
I'm sorry for him. We will GCE you later. Peace.